Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the drill bit set. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. When it comes to home improvement or professional repair jobs, having a reliable set of drill bits is essential. The Lidiao drill bit set stands out in the crowd by offering impact-rated toughness, versatility, and a smartly designed storage solution. This 35-piece set is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike who demand durability and performance from their tools. Product features: 35-piece screwdriver bit set. Includes a versatile range of bits designed to handle a wide variety of screw-driving tasks with ease. Impact-tough design. Each bit is engineered for a longer lifespan than standard impact bits, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Energy-absorbing technology. Features a torsional recoil system that helps absorb energy and reduce stress on the bits during high-torque applications, extending bit life. S2 impact-rated steel construction. Built from high-quality S2 steel, these bits are strong and resilient, perfect for tough job site conditions. Universal compatibility. Designed to work seamlessly with most power drilling tools, providing flexibility for both DIY and professional projects. Durable plastic storage case. Comes with a portable, plastic storage box that includes a secure latch to keep bits organized, easily accessible, and safely stored. Pros: exceptional durability. The impact-rated S2 steel and energy-absorbing torsion design provide longer life and better resistance under stress. Comprehensive set. The 35 pieces offer a great variety of bit sizes and types for multiple screw-driving needs. Heavy-duty performance. Ideal for demanding applications, whether on the job site or around the house. Organized storage. The portable case keeps everything in place, so you won't waste time searching for the right bit. Tool compatibility. Works with a wide range of power drills, making it a flexible addition to any toolkit. Cons: no drill bits for boring holes. This is strictly a screwdriver bit set. Users needing drill bits for boring holes will need a separate set. Plastic case durability. While convenient, the plastic case may not be as rugged as metal cases and could wear out over time with heavy use. Final thoughts. The Lidiao drill bit set is a solid investment for those seeking reliability and performance in screw-driving applications. With its impact-tough construction, torsional recoil system, and well-thought-out organization, it's a standout choice for both home users and professionals. While it may not cover drilling needs beyond screw-driving, for its intended purpose, this set delivers dependable results and great value.